size super simple recipes number 20, Basic Bolognese. I like pasta. This is a quick simple bolognese. I've got some grated Italian cheese to finish it off, an onion, some fresh basil from my little basil plant, frozen mince, bit of ham tortellini, enough for a person. I've got some chopped garlic, some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm using the left bit of the passata I made, but to be honest you can use almost any bolognese sauce, get it from the grocers. The only preparation work I've got to do is to finely chop this onion, so I'll prepare that and then I'll come back. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed my little basil plant which grows in my utility room, and I use it all the time. You can't beat a bit of fresh herbs. I've got some water on for my pasta, and we've got the pan on for the onion. Again, this pasta takes roughly 4 minutes, so in with the pasta. We'll let that come back up, a bit of a boil. Meanwhile, our onion and a tiny bit of garlic into a pan, and we just want to get those to soften up. We'll come back once they've softened. The onions have softened but not taken on any colour, which is what I want. And then into there we're going to put some mince. Why am I using frozen mince, I hear you all scream? Why not fresh? Because they're still on this fucking stupid lockdown and all the store had was frozen. But it will still work perfectly well. And once again I've increased the amount of bolognese and reduced the amount of pasta just to watch my carbs. Normally you'd have more pasta than sauce. And again, I'm waiting for a colour change in the mince, and then we'll flip it over because I want the texture to remain inside the mince. While we're waiting, we'll give that a little salt and pepper. You can see that it's changing colour. It's brown at the bottom, so turn it over, flip the other side, which will retain the texture in the mince. And once all the pink is completely gone, I'm adding some of the passata I made, but a jar of bolognese sauce would do just as well. We'll get some of that in there. Into there I've chopped some of my fresh basil, and I'm going to retain a little bit for my garnish. Turn that right down. Our pasta is now done, so we'll drain that off, and I'll come back when we're ready to plate it up. I'm going to add my pasta into my sauce. Some people say you should pour the sauce over the top, but they're not going to eat my dinner, are they? So screw them. I'm trying to coat the pasta so there's some flavoured sauce all over. Turn those two off. Take your Italian cheese. This is Pagano, but Parmigiano is obviously just as good. This has got slightly milder flavour. Finally, our last little bits of chop that on. A bit of a top garnish. The smells and the flavour of fresh herbs, I don't think you can beat. Size, super simple, basic bolognese. Job done.